We are creating this series because some people told us, hey, your food looks pretty good. Show us how to make it. We also just thought it'd be a fun thing to do together. Stepdaughter Ella, stepson Colin, wifey's in the back. Gonna try different recipes from different chefs. Also share with you guys some stuff that we like doing on a normal basis.
Woo!
The very first thing we're gonna do is something very, very simple, but also something we do quite frequently, right?
Right.
So, spaghetti. Because someone has a belly full of spaghetti and chocolate milk.
And here's the spaghetti we're using. It's a fresh brand.
Good old Costco spaghetti.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
We always do it from Costco. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and give us a subscribe. And hit that like button.
Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do kind of a take on carbonara. We made that the other day. We're going to use the meat though for this kind of pasta thing we're doing. Okay?
It's a pretty strong smell.
Because that's all the...
Like peppers and everything.
Peanut Gallery in the back is saying top sirloin. Okay, got our knife. Got our honer, knife. Woohoo!
And sometimes I would do that, but I have a broken arm, so I'm not gonna do it. And he does it really, really well.
Yeah, nobody here is trained. Like, this is all we just learned. So
Yeah.
watch some videos, some YouTube, some Gordon Ramsay, some Bobby Flay.
Yeah, we are big fans.
Also, Aaron Franklin.
And don't forget to watch Top Chef.
Definitely like some Tom Colicchio.
Yeah, but we watch Top Chef a lot.
Okay, so we got this cut up pretty good. Think we should make it smaller? I think that's good. Okay, so now we're recording there on the close one. Okay, bud. So what I'm gonna do, we got our meat. So now, you can see all the meat there? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna run this through a couple times to make it a little smaller.
Got it? Yeah, I did think it was going to have to be a little smaller.
Kind of line them up.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna cook these over there on that flat top. That looks pretty good. This was already cooked once, so we're not gonna have to do too much. Do you want to salt it?
Sure.
Okay, so I want to do 3 fingers, right?
Yeah, and then you take a little pinch. And you go,
Good. A little more?
yeah, maybe.
Okay.
I saw some tomato.
Okay, there you go. Got it? Good. Next.
And we did one of the fancy little pinch thing from Top Chef.
Switched over now. We got boiling water going for the spaghetti.
Yeah.
Do you want to light up the front?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Let's get some meat over here. Get it kind of heated up a little bit.
Yeah. We use a knife and we just scrape it off.
I'm going to use this guy today. Okay?
Yeah. We got a new spatula from somewhere. And he liked it. So we thought it would be great, so we bought it. And now, if you've ever been to Hibachi, he tries a little like knife cleaning little show. And
I think it's fun.
yeah, it's kind of fun.
Alright, so I changed it up. I've got over here, we got the close-up, we got the spaghetti noodles. We're just going to go ahead and put them all in, away from us, so there's no splashing. Move these guys around a little bit. Hopefully they fall down into place on their own. Alright, now we're down into the water. Alright, back here on the meat, I'm going to take this off. Oh, what happened to my spatula? Over here! Back over to here! Alright, Colin. Looking pretty good on the meat. Can you get me a bowl that we're going to put this meat into.
Got it? Small or big?
Big enough for the meat.
Okay. This is good.
Looks good to me.
Awesome.
And Colin, can you turn the heat off for me on this side?
Here. This?
Yep. Turn it off.
Do I go to it? Which way?
All the way back.
Okay, the heat is off.
We're going to put in here. We're going to cover.
Okay, it's cooling. And honestly, we do this a lot.
I'm going to stir some noodles just to make sure they actually are moving around. Nothing stuck to the bottom. Alright, so we're over here on the countertop. We got the bowls. One's going to be for the noodles. The other one's going to be for both the meat. And I'm going to get some egg in there. So, I think it would have been smarter to do this prep work before, but hey. Easy peasy. Okay.
What he meant was brunch for dinner instead of brunch for lunch. Yeah.
Take our fork. Center.
Those noodles are getting soft.
Yeah, this bowl has the meat in it. I'm not going to combine right now because if you put hot meat inside the egg, it'd cook the egg. And that kind of defeats the purpose. Good old cheese. Gotta have cheese. And just dropped all over the place. That's not what you want to do.
Again, we are not for professionals. We learn these from chefs that we see. We get these recipes from chefs, from famous chefs. So, and we make them. And people kept on telling us, "Oh, that looks so good, and you do it really great." So he thought maybe we could do a little YouTube channel. And once we got more compliments, and we really liked it, and we thought about it, we decided to do this.
Watch yourself, bud.
And it's fun.
Don't want to run into the stove.
No.
That hurt.
Yeah. Our pasta is getting really soft. If you want to feel the heat, and if you feel like water, it's okay that there's like water vapor.
Got to put this thing together. So,
Yeah.
hot.
Thanks for warning me.
There we go. So that is definitely hot.
Yeah, you can see the steam.
Here we go. We don't want to use all the noodles because Ella is going to want to eat some noodles, and she'll just want noodles and cheese. She's not going to want the carbonara, even though she tried that the other day. This is definitely a fake carbonara because you don't put steak in carbonara. You put like guanciale.
Yeah.
So, which is like the inside of a pig's mouth. Put them in here.
Yeah.
Leave enough for the Ella. Think that's enough for Ella?
No.
Think she'll want a little more?
I think she wanted a bunch more.
A bunch more?
Remember when we stopped at Aunt Erin's mom, and they had like a ginormous bowl of pasta, and I was like, and we're all like, that's too much pasta. I was like, can I please have some?
We're going to take our mixture here of egg, parmesan, and we're to get it in this bowl, and we are going to stir like mad. Because you don't want it to cook.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna tell you.
Okay, that looks pretty good. You didn't even use all the eggs. So maybe 2 eggs is too many.
Yeah.
All right, bud. One thing you learn watching Top Chef: always taste your food.
Just give me space.
Can I try some?
Put some on your dress too. You know what? First taste, you know what I'm gonna say?
Need some salt.
Need salt.
You want to take a little pinch?
Bigger pinch. 3 fingers. And then you gotta do like trickle, 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 trickle. There you go. I'll do a little too. Got it? Okay. Now I'm gonna stir it again.
And make sure you don't get lots of salt.
You're good.
Oh.
You know the other thing we need to do? Pepper.
Just a little bit.
And then we stir that in too. Oh,
Not too much.
we got our meat from here.
Just put
You want to do the steak on the plates? On our guys' plates. So Ella, we got plain noodles for you as well. Yes. All right. We're gonna take this one, put it in the middle.
You're not great.
There we go. Let's do some of that.
Put it down. That's
There
not
we go. Take cut pieces over here. Lay on the side.
It'll be okay.
Let that fall down.
Yay.
And Ella's over here taking all the spaghetti.
Not all.
Here's our dish.
Not fine.
Mold it in. And there you have our dish. Looks pretty good.
Daddy, look.
Ooh, that looks good, guys.
Daddy, look. Take a piece of meat.
Let me
Daddy.
get the pasta first.
Daddy, look at you.
Oh, that's good, guys.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Colin. Ella. Awesome.